Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Saranya and please consider subscribing to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this very soft eyes with the bold lip kind of a makeup look. It's very simple to do. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So I've already done my skincare and my next step is primer. I'm using my Laura Mercier blurring primer to keep it oil free. Next, I'm color correcting under my eyes and around my mouth area to hide the hyperpigmentation. For my foundation today, I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation in the shade NC45. It is a very full coverage foundation and also long lasting. But one thing I don't like about it is just not budge proof, so that's the only drawback for me. And for my concealer, I'm using my Benefit Boing concealer in the shade 9. It's a bit too light for me, so I'm using it a tad bit to highlight my center points of my face. Now that I've blended all the concealer in, I'm using a little bit of my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder to set around my eyes and my smile lines alone. For the rest of it, I used MAC Skin Finish in the shade Dark. And for my bronzer, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the shade Mahogany. My blush today, I'm using the Ofra blush in the shade Bronzed. It's not a matte bronzer, it has a little bit of sheen and shimmers in it, so it gives you that fresh and youthful glow. Since it's peachy and browny kind of a tone, it also looks really nice on the skin. And for my highlighter, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome Golden Molten Gold highlighter as my highlighter today. And now to set everything in place, I'm just adding my setting spray. It's actually MAC Fix Plus, which I filled in the miniature. And for my eyes, I'm using my Huda Beauty Topaz Obsession palette and taking the lightest shade from the palette and applying it all over my lids as a base to my eyeshadow. Now taking the lightest peach or orange from the palette and just blending it very well onto my crease and slightly a bit above my crease. I'm taking my time blending the color so that it looks very diffused and soft. Now that the crease is done, I'm taking the first shade, the light shade which I already used before as my base, to clean up the lid area and to keep it very clean so that it's very neutral and natural. And also it tends to make your eyelids look bigger. I'm drawing a small baby wing for the look today. I'm using my Inglot gel eyeliner and my Inglot 23T brush to do it because it gives me a fine stroke. So I'm using that brush as my liner brush today. Now I'm adding a little bit of mascara. I'm using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara for my lashes, and also adding some more mascara for my lower lash as well. For my lipstick today, I'm using the Wet n Wild Catsuit lipstick in the shade Berry Recognition, since I wanted a very purpley pink kind of a tone. It actually looks purple, more purple on me than pink, so I really love how this look turned out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Meet you in another one. Bye guys.